Nigeria is at a critical turning point. Every year, hundreds of thousands of graduates pour out of universities with degrees in hand, but no skills that industry actually needs. The result? Mass unemployment, frustration, and a nation that imports everything because it cannot make anything. The solution is not more degrees. The solution is a complete transformation of Nigeria's educational system, from theory-based learning to technical education, vocational training, and industrial skills. This is the only path to an industrial revolution. The current system is broken. Nigerian universities focus heavily on memorizing textbooks, passing exams, and collecting certificates. But certificates don't build factories. Theories don't manufacture products. Students graduate without ever touching a machine, welding a joint, or programming a robot. Meanwhile, industries across Nigeria are desperate for skilled technicians, engineers, and machine operators. There is a massive gap between what schools produce and what the economy needs. Nigeria must build world-class technical colleges and polytechnics across every state. These institutions must be equipped with modern machinery, CNC machines, 3D printers, welding stations, and automation systems. Students must learn by doing, not just by reading. A young person who spends 3 years mastering industrial machinery will contribute more to the economy than someone who spends 6 years memorizing textbooks with no practical skills. Machine engineering must be at the heart of Nigeria's industrial revolution. Every industrialized nation in the world has a strong base of mechanical and electrical engineers who design, build, and maintain machines. Nigeria must train thousands of machine engineers who understand hydraulics, pneumatics, robotics, and automated production systems. Without this expertise, Nigeria will forever depend on foreign engineers and imported machinery. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the entire global economy. Factories are becoming smarter, supply chains are becoming automated, and data is driving every industry. Nigeria cannot afford to be left behind. AI and robotics courses must be introduced at every level of education, from secondary school to university. Nigerian students must learn machine learning, data science, computer vision, and industrial automation. The country that masters AI will lead the next century. Apprenticeship programs must be revived and modernized. Germany's industrial strength was built on its dual education system, where students split time between classroom learning and real factory work. Nigeria must adopt a similar model. Every technical student must spend significant time working in factories, power plants, refineries, and construction sites. Theory must always be paired with practice. This is how you build a workforce that industry can actually use. Vocational training must be respected, not stigmatized. For too long, Nigerian society has looked down on technical work. Plumbers, electricians, welders, and mechanics are seen as lesser careers. This mindset must change. These are the people who build nations. A skilled welder earns more than many university graduates in industrialized countries. Nigeria must celebrate its craftsmen and women and make vocational training a first choice, not a last resort. When a nation trains its people in industrial skills, factories follow. Locally trained technicians can operate production lines, maintain equipment, and produce quality goods. Nigeria must manufacture its own products, from textiles and electronics to automobiles and agricultural equipment. Every product made in Nigeria creates jobs, reduces imports, and strengthens the naira. Industrial training is not just education. It is national security and economic independence. The choice before Nigeria is clear. Continue down the path of theoretical education, producing graduates with no industrial skills, watching as the economy stagnates and imports flood the market. Or take the bold step of transforming the educational system, prioritizing technical education, vocational training, machine engineering, and artificial intelligence. One path leads to continued dependence, the other leads to an industrial revolution. The time to choose is now. Nigeria has the youngest population in Africa. Millions of energetic, intelligent, and determined young people ready to build their country. All they need is the right training, the right tools, and the right system. Technical education and vocational training are not luxuries. They are the foundation of every industrialized nation on earth. Japan did it, South Korea did it, China did it. Now it is Nigeria's turn. The Industrial Revolution starts with education. Nigeria's future is in the hands of its engineers, its technicians, and its builders.